In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your supplier communications using Outlook or Teams with Copilot enabled. As businesses grow more complex and demands increase, keeping communication timely, professional, and organized is crucial. With Copilot, you can seamlessly draft emails or messages, schedule follow-ups, and track your communication history all in one place. So let's dive into the details on how you can enhance your communication efficiency. First things first, let's open Outlook or Teams if you haven't already. With Copilot enabled, you'll notice that drafting messages becomes an intuitive process, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, the content and tone of your communication. For a professional email or message to suppliers, start by greeting them formally. Address your supplier by name to add a personal touch. You might say something like, "Dear supplier name," followed by a friendly opening line to initiate a positive engagement. Now move on to the body of your email or message. Clearly state the purpose of your correspondence. Whether it's a request for an update, a question about an ongoing order, or a new inquiry, clarity is key. Use succinct sentences and avoid jargon to ensure your message is easily understood. If you need to include specifics such as dates, quantities, or order numbers, make sure these are accurate to prevent any confusion. Once your draft is complete, Copilot can assist in refining your language. It might suggest rephrasing to boost professionalism or grammar adjustments to enhance clarity. Take advantages of these suggestions as they can elevate the quality of your communication, making it more impactful and polished. After you've crafted your message, it's important to schedule follow-ups. With the fast-paced nature of business, remembering every detail is challenging. Outlook or Teams, with its scheduling feature, can automatically remind you to check back with your suppliers. You can set reminders for a variety of intervals, daily, weekly, or according to a custom timeline that suits your needs. This ensures you never miss an important follow-up, keeping your projects on track and your suppliers engaged. Next, let's talk about tracking communication history. It's crucial to have a central point where all conversations are recorded and easy to access. Look for the History tab within your tool. This section will house previous correspondence. Having this at your fingertips allows you to quickly reference past discussions, ensuring continuity and reducing the back and forth with suppliers about already resolved questions. By following these practices, you're using technology not just to send messages, but to enhance your communication workflow. With Copilot, you're empowered to draft professional emails or messages, keep on top of essential follow-ups, and effortlessly track your communication history. Remember, proactive communication is at the heart